Hello everyone, it's Ann here from Ann Makes. Thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome in my studio for those of you that are new. If you haven't subscribed already, why don't you do so by clicking on the subscribe button below. You can also do so by clicking on the Ann Makes in the corner of the screen. And if you click on the bell until it moves, that will allow YouTube to notify you whenever I post new content, like today. And today I have a Dollar Tree video to share with you. Woohoo! I went to Dollar Tree several times. I did buy quite a lot of stuff. And to be honest, a lot of stuff was to replenish things for my family. So you're not going to see those things because there's some food items, soaps, cleaners, things like that, they're not crafty really. But, I got to do what I got to do. But here's the good stuff. And yeah, there's too much. Anyway, so let's start with some Christmas. And the first thing I have to share with you is the scented sticks. There's 6 pieces of the scented sticks. This is more like a Christmas decor thing, I guess. And oh yeah, they do smell like evergreen trees. If you ever stuck your face in an evergreen tree, a spruce tree, pine tree, yep, this is very familiar scent. And I have tons of pine and spruce and cedar here, so I know. And I got these sticks, not just because I like the scent of pine and spruce, but because we have an artificial Christmas tree. And goodness knows it's not a good idea to get a real one with Kitty. We did one year and I had warned my husband it would not be a good idea. Anyway, so we still have the artificial Christmas tree. It's looked better, but once it's fully loaded with decorations, you don't see how ratty it looks anymore. But it doesn't smell like a real tree, so I thought this would be fun to use. And I also have a spray, so at least our fake tree can smell like a real tree. So that's why I got that. Now in the craft stuff, and it's Christmas as well, I got this from the Holiday Essentials. This is from Multi-Craft Imports. They have these really, excuse me. Oh, and this does say Crazy Cat Lady. Yeah, it does say that. I'm so sorry. Yes, my mug says Crazy Cat Lady. And I purchased this mug at Winners. We have a new Winners in the area. And went there on the first day with my son. And we did find a lot of neat things. And I got this mug as we were in line for the cash. I found this mug. I had to buy it. So, on to Dollar Tree. So, got these metallic cords from Multi-Craft Imports, the Holiday Essentials. Honestly, I don't know if these are things that are available in the US as well, but these are available here in Canada. There are other colors, of course. I just chose the gold because this will go with other Christmas decor that I already have. And some other Christmas stuff for crafting. They have the adhesive diamond wrap. Usually I'm not able to find this stuff here. I see it in the US, but not here, but I did find it. So this one is a silver base with green Christmas trees, and this one is gold base with little green Christmas trees. There are other styles and other colors. There's snowflakes as well, but I chose these for my needs and my crafting. Now, I'm gonna save the best for last. Okay, so new in the craft section at my store. It's not really new, but they had just received some more of these, but they are the jewelry craft cord. Yeah, it's the suede jewelry craft cord. So they had this nice chocolate brown. They have this beige, and the beige one's more like tough. and the black. The black too is this. The brown one is nice and soft. Anyway, so you get on this. So this is leather or suede craft cord. You get 6.5 feet or 2 meters of cord here. So that. The next thing I have to show you is I picked up some of the little wooden blocks. This one is by Crafty Kids. This was the only pack. The brand is Crafty Kids. It is from Multicraft. These are larger size than these, but there was only one package like this, so I picked that one up and I got more of these. I think I already have some of these in my stash, but I don't think I have this size. So just for crafts and stuff. The next item, this is new. These are wood wipe-off boards. They're like on an easel, but this is the kind of board that you can write with a dry erase marker and wipe off. Apparently, I haven't tested it yet. So there was the white style and the black style. So these would be, I guess this would be more of a chalkboard than a wipe-off board. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'll have to try these eventually. And I don't know, I just thought these might be fun to make little signs out of for some sort of decorating, whatever. So, got that. Not a crafty item or a decor item, but I got these just because I want to put these in someone's stocking at Christmas. But I found Ren and Stimpy. Skimpy? No, Stimpy. Stimpy and Ren. Ren and Stimpy from Nickelodeon. So I don't think I had found these before. I just can't remember if I had already found these. I know that I'm pretty sure I've gotten the other characters, which is Arnold, SpongeBob, and Patrick from SpongeBob SquarePants. But yeah, so the Ren and Stimpy. So I got this for someone who was a big Nickelodeon fan in his younger days. Now next I bought parchment paper. This I bought to use in crafting. I'm hoping to make some little bags out of this, envelopes, things like that to have in my stash for junk journaling, art journaling, for craft making, etc. Got that. This one is new. They have a lot of these wooden shapes. They have animals, they have all sorts of things. And this, yeah, wood animal shape form. This is a Greenbrier import. And I chose this one because look, it's a cat shape. So some sort of, I don't know, maybe a cougar or a panther or something. I wasn't sure, is it supposed to be a cat? I think it's a cat. I don't think this is a cow. The cow would be a totally different shape. It does look more like a cat. I just thought, aw. Wouldn't this be cute? I'll try to do something with this. I could just paint this black and stick 2 green eyes on it and be done. It'd say, hey, that's Snowball. And then I also found the 6-inch parchment paper squares. And I thought, oh, I'm going to try making some envelopes or bags with these as well. Because they're already cut. They're 6-inch. Oh. I'll see how much I have to compare between this and the roll, what the better value is. And yeah, so I got these 2 things to make envelopes and bags. Another thing that I picked up to be used as a craft supply, but usually is not sold as a craft supply, is this book of receipts. This is ephemera alert. This is a great way to make faux ephemera. You can make your own receipts. You can tea dye these if you want to make them look vintage. And yeah, so they're good for paper crafting, art journaling, and they're also good if you need to make a receipt. Another paper good that I got for repurposing, and this again, it's just as to be used as a craft supply. It is sold as a toy. It is a toy paper money. And these are in Canadian denominations, so they're the colored money. Yes, it is. Our money is not this big, by the way, for my U.S. friends. This is a toy, but we do have colored money in Canada. Yes, it's like Monopoly, but yeah. So I personally, I love that our money has different colors because it's easier to tell the bills apart. So. But yeah, so these are giant, oversized pieces of play money, and I just thought they're fun to have for paper. There's 50 pieces in here, so got that. Another item that I got in the toy section, well, a few items I got in the toy section are cards. So I got these sets of card games. You get 3 in this pack here. There's 3 boxes. There's hearts, go fish, and matching. And this one is 1, 2, 3s, puzzle cards, and sight words. And I also got this pack of old maid playing cards. So these are a way to have ephemera, faux ephemera to collect for different things. And I just gotta open the box here so I can see what the quality is. I hope that they're like, you know, if they're just plain cardboard, that's even easier to distress and ink to make them look more like fake faux ephemera. Okay, so these are very colorful. I don't think these will look very, very vintagey, but there could be some paper crafting possibilities with that one. You could also use these as ATC backgrounds. There's some, these are the sight word cards. The purple on one side, green on the other. Anyway, you get the idea. So they're just little cards sold to play educational games with children. I have bought these for my own children in the past. Goodness knows where these things are now. But I just thought, yep, it's a very cheap way to add to my paper ephemera stash with some very inexpensive children's educational cards from the dollar store. And we have Old Maid. I like the Old Maid one because of all the different occupations that are represented in here. This is a larger card, and yeah, you have the rules. So, you know, this is the style that you get in this. This one's kind of retro looking. I like that. Newspaper editor, optometrist. Yeah, this will be, oh, these might be fun to use in a junk journal or art journal or any other paper crafting. So I got those. Now, what else did I get? Okay, now I want to thank my viewers and subbies who made comments during after a previous Dollar Tree haul about the trims. I showed you some trims that I hauled for Christmas, and I showed you a green one and green and red one and a gold and silver one. And thank you for those of you who told me there was also a black and white one. I did not see it the first time I picked these up, but when I went back, I did find the black and white. So I got some of the black and white as well. And another thing that I was not aware of when I purchased these the first time was that they contain different types of trims. There's different combinations of different types of trims in the bags. So I had not paid attention to that at all. So thank you very much for the heads up on that. And I certainly paid more attention this time, and I tried to get, you know, I just kind of looked a little bit more closely at what was in the packages before I purchased them. So yeah, that's a lot of fun. So thank you very much for that. It's one of the reasons I do these videos is to share, not only to share with you what I know, but I love that we can share between all of us you know, these tips and tricks and how-tos and, you know, did you know? So yeah, thank you very much for that. And finally, but not... And finally, last but not least, my brain is weird today, are some kitchen towels. Now, I know, Sandy, if you're watching, you're probably thinking, yeah, what were you thinking? These I intend to put in our bathroom. We do have white and silver in our bathroom, so I thought these would be nice for around the Christmas season. And this says peace and joy. It is a nice towel. It's cotton. It's not that fiber stuff that I don't usually like, but it's a blend with cotton. And so I got these just to use in our master bathroom. And again, heads up to those of you who didn't know, I've seen 3 different color combinations of these trims at Dollar Tree. I've seen the red and green with the gold and silver in the holiday essentials, and then the forever and time, craft medley, and they're also multi-craft. And you get 50 yards in here. You get 50 pieces. You get 50 pieces of 1 yard each, so you do get 50 yards of product in here altogether. I seriously think this is a really great value. Can't go wrong. So thanks again for the viewers who gave me the heads up on the fact that there was another color and that there's different styles. So I hope you found this video fun, entertaining, to your liking, that maybe you learned something. And if you did, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so very much for watching, and until next time, stay crafty.